Hey Empower Hers, welcome back to Empower Her Wellness Chanel. Today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for our well-being: daily immune-boosting and anti-inflammatory juices. These vibrant concoctions will not only tantalize your taste buds, but also work wonders for your health. Before we jump into the recipes, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more nourishing content. Let's get started. Our first immune-boosting elixir is the Citrus Burst. Packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, this juice is a powerhouse. Here's what you need: 2 oranges, 1 grapefruit, 1 lemon, a thumb-sized ginger piece. Simply peel and juice the citrus fruits, add the ginger, and voila, a zesty, immunity-boosting delight. Next up, we have the Green Vitality Blend. This one's loaded with chlorophyll and anti-inflammatory goodness. Grab these ingredients: 2 cups spinach, 1 cucumber, 1 green apple, 2 lemon. Toss them into the juicer and watch the vibrant green elixir unfold. Sip your way to vitality. Let's talk about the Turmeric Gold Refresher. Turmeric is a potent anti-inflammatory spice. Here's what you need: 2 carrots, 1 apple, 1 orange, 1-inch turmeric root. Juice it up, and you've got a golden elixir with immune-boosting benefits. Cheers to your health. Moving on to the Berry Bliss Booster. Berries are rich in antioxidants. Gather these: 1 cup blueberries, 1 cup strawberries, 1/2 cup raspberries, 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Blend it all and enjoy this berry-packed elixir. Your taste buds and immune system will thank you. Last but not least, let's create the Pineapple Paradise Infusion. Pineapple contains bromelain, known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Grab these ingredients: 1 cup pineapple chunks, 2 cucumber, 1 lime, a handful of mint leaves. Juice or blend and transport yourself to a tropical paradise with each sip. There you have it. 5 immune-boosting, anti-inflammatory juices that you can incorporate into your daily routine. Experiment with these recipes, mix and match ingredients, and find what works best for you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more wellness inspiration. Here's to your health, Empower Hers. Stay vibrant, stay empowered, and I'll see you in the next empowering video.